Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So Amazon Household lets you share Prime benefits including Prime Video with family members by linking accounts together securely. Okay, so first thing first, go to Amazon Household page. So open Amazon website, okay, Amazon itself. Sign into your account. Okay, this is the first thing you have to do. Go to Amazon Household like settings. Okay, so this is where sharing is managed. Okay, so this is where sharing is managed. As you can see, create your Amazon family. So add an adult, like click add adults or create your first Amazon family. Okay, enter the country. Okay, as you can see here, so name, email, send invitation. Okay, other person must accept the invite. Accept invitation. The invited adult logs into their Amazon account, accepts the household invitation, and both accounts will be or will now be linked. Okay, so enable Prime sharing, like choose to share Prime Video, other Prime benefits. Okay, you can control what gets shared. Okay, so add children, add child profiles with name, age, set parental control, kids get restricted, save content. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.